Welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to see new topic, Sixth Kingdom classification. The Sixth Kingdom classification system is a widely accepted method for categorizing all forms of life based on certain fundamental characteristics. It divides organisms into 6 major groups. First, Archaebacteria. Characteristics: unicellular prokaryotic organisms with no nucleus. They have distinct cell membrane and enzymes. It is found in extreme environments like hot springs, salt lakes, and anaerobic conditions. Examples: halophiles, thermophiles. Second, bacteria. Unicellular prokaryotic organisms with no nucleus. They have a simple cell structure with a peptidoglycan cell wall. Environment: found in a wide range of environments including soil, water, and inside other organisms. Example: E. coli and Streptococcus. Third, Protista. Characteristics: mostly unicellular eukaryotic organisms with a nucleus. They are a diverse group with characteristics similar to animals, plants, and fungi. Environment: mostly aquatic, some are parasitic. Examples: algae and paramecium. Fourth, Fungi. Characteristics: mostly multicellular eukaryotic organism. They have a cell wall made of chitin and obtain nutrients through absorption. Environment: often found in moist environments, decomposing organic material. Examples: mushroom and molds. Fifth, Plantae. Characteristics: multicellular eukaryotic organisms with a cell wall made of cellulose. They are autotrophic, using photosynthesis to produce food. Environment: terrestrial and aquatic environments. Example: trees and flowers. Sixth, Animalia. Characteristics: multicellular eukaryotic organism without a cell wall. They are heterotrophic, consuming organic material for energy. Environment: diverse environments including land, water, and air. Example: mammals, birds, and insects. Today's question: first, name the Sixth Kingdom classification. Second, who proposed Sixth Kingdom classification? Thank you for watching. Share your thoughts in the comment box. If you found this content valuable, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos. Thank you.